consortium, a group set for common purpose that would be beyond the capabilities of a single member. A union, partnership, or alliance, also a legal term for the rights of married persons. The career and internship connection is a consortium of about a dozen schools that participate in 4 off-campus recruiting events. Consternation, bewilderment, amazement, alarm, or dismay caused by something unexpected, amazement or confusion at the turn of events. Much to the consternation of her parents, Stephanie, who was also only 18, announced her engagement to a man twice her age. Construe. To interpret or understand meaning of word, gesture, and action in a particular way. To translate or analyze the grammar of a piece of text. To construe is to reach a conclusion based on review. It is often an attorney job to construe the meaning of a context, then share the interpretation with the client and, if needed, with judge or jury. Consummate, to bring something such as business deal to a conclusion or desired end, to achieve, fulfill, complete, or finalize. Also for a couple to make marriage legally valid by having sexual relations, by consumption an agreement and then signing the letter of intent. The high school All-American football player committed to attending Notre Dame. Contemptuous, feeling, expressing or demonstrating strong dislike, disdain or scorn for someone or something. Showing an utter lack of respect for traditional conventions. The contemptuous behavior of gang members is perhaps the most difficult issue faced in many urban areas today. Context, the word, phrases, passages before and after a particular word or passage that help to explain its complete meaning. The circumstance or events relating to an incident or action. The context of Martin Luther King's the famous "I Have a Dream" speech is important for understanding the full impact this oration has on its audience. Contravene, to disagree with or oppose decision or statement, go against, to deny, to oppose something by action or argument, to break a rule or law. To be mean, you would convene or deny, often making others cry. The decision of course are really contravened by players. Contrivance, a clearly made, unusual device or machine, a clever way to acquire something, a plot or scheme. A plan intended to deceive, a contrivance of alchemists were machines that attempt and fail to turn base metals into good. Convalescent, time spent resting, recovering, and regaining one's health after illness or medical treatment. From the Latin, grow stronger. Those people who believe convalescence is done better at home doesn't have 2-year-old twins. Convivial, adjective. Enjoyable because of friendless and amicably, festive and sociable, given to eating, drinking, and socializing. It's very surprising that the prom was so convivial, given the adolescent can often be competitive and taunted. Convolutive, too complex, intricate to understand easily. Complicated with many twists or folds, literally folded into a coiled spiral, most often used to express an extreme state of complication, intricacy, or independency. A relationship can be convolved with difficult, but they ultimately worth the effort. Репетитор по скайпу, Smart Teacher 197.